All right, what's up guys? We're gonna take a look at the installation of our bridge. So this is a multi-platform adapter. It's going to take the majority of holsters and connect them to the majority of belt attachments. So this one specifically, what we're gonna do today is take a QLS fork and put it onto a Dara holster. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is unpack your bag and get everything organized here. So go ahead, grab this card, scan the QR code, and get you a set of instructions printed out. Now there's a hardware matrix in the back that's going to give you all of the different hardware, and you can match that up to the type of holster and the type of attachment that you want, and then it's going to give you all of the information that you need to install those. So we're going to go ahead, unpack our white bag here that's got our stainless steel posts that we need to set into the back of the bridge. So how I want to do this is go ahead and put my belt attachment on top so I can mark the holes. Now the instructions are going to tell you which holes to use, but easiest way to do it for me is to just go ahead, grab the attachment, set it on top, and then look through, grab your post and set it into the back of your bridge. Now you're going to thread. In this scenario, you're going to want to use your Safariland supplied screws because they're extra large truss head screws, and the holes in your Safariland attachment are quite wide, so we don't want our standard 832 screws to push through those holes. So go ahead and get that hand tight till you've got everything lined up. Okay, now that everything's hand tight, what we have to do is press these posts down into the aluminum. So there's some knurled teeth in here. We want to cut that into the bridge so that they won't spin on us. So go ahead and snug these down. You'll see it start to cut in. And you'll feel it fully seat down at the bottom. It'll get real tight on you. Okay. All right. Now our posts are fully seated. What we're going to have to do now is disassemble our fork to the bridge. So go ahead and break those loose. And go ahead and get those screws out of there. All right, set those screws aside. Now you've got your posts seated into the bridge. What we're going to want to do next, move this stuff off to the side. We're going to get our attachment off of our holster, and I'm going to go ahead and set the bridge onto my holster. So check your instructions, make sure you're using the correct length screws. Okay. And at this step, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your Loctite and get a dab of Loctite on each of these screws. And we're going to snug these down. Good tight hand snug, or about 20 to 25 inch-pounds. And now we are all set to reinstall our QLS fork. Okay, go ahead and adjust the can angle that you want here and get these snug down. All right guys, there you have it. It's a QLS fork on a Dara holster using the bridge. Appreciate you guys watching.